Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log in with Digistore24 to promote US-friendly digital offers. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. In the search bar, type Digistore24 and press enter. Click on the official Digistore24 link that appears in the search results. Once the website loads, locate the login button at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. After filling out the login credentials, click the login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your Digistore24 dashboard. Now, look for the Marketplace option in the main menu. Click on Marketplace to explore the available offers. In the Marketplace, you will notice various categories on the left side. Select a category that interests you. To find US-friendly digital offers, use the search bar at the top. Type in relevant keywords like digital, course, or software. Filter the results if necessary to narrow down your options. Once you find an offer you want to promote, click on it for more details. Review the offer page to understand the commission structure and product details. Look for the Promote Now button and click it to generate your affiliate link. Copy the generated link to use in your promotions. You are now ready to start promoting US-friendly digital offers with Digistore24. Remember to keep track of your performance metrics in the dashboard. This will help you optimize your promotional strategies. That's it, you're all set to begin. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.